So hey friends, welcome back to another awesome video. I know after many days I'm posting this video because as my exams were going on, so that's the reason was I was not able to post any videos on my channel. So from now the videos will come, and let's come to our today's topic. Today our topic is that how we can install Turbo C++, which is a old fashioned C++ IDE or IDE, yes, which we can install on our computer system very easily, but many people are facing problem in it, and it is very important to learn C++ as it is the basic IDE to learn C and C++. So in today's video we are going to learn that only, that how we can install it for free on Windows, as it is also a type of old-fashioned operating system, means operating file which was in old computers it was being used, so it is also the same. So we can't do a very big program of C in it, but for learning stage it's better to first go from it. It is a CGUI user interface, which is a character graphic user interface IDE. So we can install it very easily on our computer system. I will show you how after the intro. My name is Abhinav Mishra and you are watching Abhicoder Creative Mind. So let's get started. So first of all, what we need to do is we will open our internet browser, any internet browser you want. In my case it's Edge. So now after that we will type here Turbo C++ download. Okay, so now if you have many downloads here, yes, this one turboc.en softnik. Okay, so page is not working, so you can also do a work because Softonic, as I said, it's also a good one, it's also a better one. Okay, it's actually not MS-DOS, it shows the logo like this, but it is Turbo C++ IDE. Okay, this is an old-fashioned IDE, of course, as I said. So download for PC, and your download will be started. You can see here the prompt has come. I will just select save from here. Not a big file size, it's 2.6 MB only. Let it install. It's taking more long than usual. Okay, so it's installed, so let's go to our folder. Okay, so here is our zip file. Okay, and I will extract this here. You can see if the file has been extracted successfully. Here you can click on this application. It is the installer application. You can click on yes, and here is the setup file. You can accept the agreements. Okay, I will just clear up this. So you can see here, I will click on next. Again I will accept. First you need to read that. Okay, so it's only 10 MB guys, it's too less. You can do it very easily, and you click on install. It will not take a single second and it's gonna be installed. You can see it's completed, so I will not see, and I will just run the Turbo C++, and there we go, it started. Oh, it gives the feeling of MS-DOS, right? Okay, so we are in full screen mode, and however it supports this what do we say, mouse, trackpad and mouse. That's great, but you can't scroll in it, you need to scroll with cursor. So I'll create a new file. I'll show an example. I'll just save it. Just go and F2, and here I will print like. Okay, so here you can save as example.cpp, and you will click on OK. Okay, it's already there. I'll not save with that name. I'll save with another name. Save. Let it be Abhicoder.cpp. That would be great. Okay, so it's Abhicode. Okay, Abhicode.cpp. And first of all, in our C++ code, to give input and output, we need a library which is installed in our system, which is IOStream. So I'll give as include and here IOStream. Okay, dot header file. It's a header file as it's an extension, so it's a header file. So you can see all the languages are pretty similar. In Python we write import time, means the library. Here we write in Java also we write import anything. Okay, so here like we write import IO streams. So all include IO streams. So all are pretty similar. Okay, so here we need to start loop, which is void. Okay, so this is the void main is the place in which all the codes of your app is gonna be. Okay, with whichever app you can create. So first of all, as we have included IO stream, so which names only provides us the information. It's I means in and O means out streams, input output streams. Okay, so it only helps us to give input and output. So we will give here let's give cout and then like this, and then let's give Avina. Okay, subscribe. Let it be. Okay, and we can just end it and we'll close the loop, as it's an object oriented programming language, OOP, as Python, so you need to be careful. Okay, so it's been saved. Now we can compile it. You can see it's success. I can press any key. So that was how you can install on it, but you can also run from it. Okay, so this is how you can edit your code and run it. You can also run it, but it's not running in this Abhicoder one. So let me just compile this one. Okay, so it's not running. Why? I also don't know why it doesn't run, but previously it was running. So this is it, guys, and this was only for this today's video. So this is it for today's video, guys. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye. And if you like this video, then please make sure to subscribe and like my channel. And if you know how you can run it, then please let me know in the comments. As it's not working, it should run here, but it's not working. Why? I am also confused. In run also the same thing. Okay, so run, it's run. You can see here in clock is there. I can press escape and okay, I got to know. So let's see our code. Where is that? Just a second, guys. Let me open my. It's not there. Why is it? Then maybe win. No. Okay, here is also code. Let's compile it. Okay, let's compile. Nice. So you can see how we can do many things with C++, as it's a very amazing programming language. So I'm not getting the sample code. Let me just write it again and I will show you. So you can see here it's given. I will save. Okay. I'll go compile. So you can see success, no error found. Now I can run. Okay, we'll go run. Why do you choose like that? Run. Is there an issue? No, it's not running. Okay friends, so this was how we can run. I don't know why my code is not running. It is difficult to close, so you can press the start button and you can also close it. So you can see it's finished, you can see here. So I hope this video would be amazing for you, and as the C++ is very important programming language, so I thought that we should create a video on it. Hope you like today's videos, then please subscribe and like my channel, and you can be more informative, and you can also visit our channel and Instagram page, and you can also see many tech contents, many artificial intelligence, etc. And recently I created an artificial intelligence system, Jarvis 2.0, which is really amazing. So please appreciate for that. You can also take my channel membership. Till then, take care. Bye bye.